Hello, this is Opinion Radar. And if you're anything like me, a busy mom constantly on the lookout for thoughtful, screen free activities that actually hold your child's attention, then you're going to want to hear about this. Today, I'm sharing our honest thoughts on the Make It Real Neo-Brite chains and charms kit, a craft set that's been quietly stealing the spotlight in our house. As a parent, I'm always torn between wanting to encourage creativity and dreading the inevitable mess and frustration that comes with it. But what if a simple $9 kit could spark joy, teach patience, and even become a sweet bonding tool between you and your child? That's exactly what we've been exploring. It's not just about making bracelets, it's about what happens in the moments in between. So grab a cup of coffee and let me walk you through how this little box of color became so much more than just another toy. Oh my gosh, I just have to tell you about this Make It Real Neo-Brite chains and charms kit we got for my daughter recently. It's such a fun, colorful way to keep kids creatively engaged, especially if your little one loves making their own jewelry. She got it for her birthday, and I'll admit, I was a little skeptical at first. Craft kits can be hit or miss, right? But this one, total win. It comes with 195 pieces, chains, charms, cords, tassels, and you can make 10 completely unique bracelets. The variety is incredible: bright neon, sparkly beads, different shapes and sizes. It's like a rainbow exploded in the best way. And everything is neatly tucked into this super durable box with a built-in play tray, which I love as a mom. No more beads all over the floor. It's actually organized, which makes cleanup so much easier when her creative bursts are over. We've already used it a few times for mini crafting afternoons, and let me just say, it's the perfect activity for keeping a 7 or 8-year-old busy in a productive, imaginative way. My daughter loves showing off her creations to her friends, and honestly, they're kind of adorable. What I really appreciate is how it encourages independence. She picks out her colors, chooses the charms that speak to her, and threads them with this little hook tool, which took a second to figure out, but once she got the hang of it, she was golden. We've done it during rainy days as a post-homework treat, or even when we've had friends over. It's a fantastic group activity. It's not just a craft, it's a little confidence booster. Watching her proudly say, "I made this," is honestly the best part. Now, let's talk about the good and the not so good, because I want to keep it real. The big pros? Super affordable at only $9, amazing variety of pieces, easy storage, and seriously, the colors are vibrant and so fun. It sparks so much joy just opening the box. The included tray keeps everything contained, which is a game changer. Also, the fact that it's all in one box means it's portable. We've taken it to Grandma's house, packed it for short trips. It doesn't take up much space. But on the flip side, I'll admit the assembly can be a bit tricky, especially for younger kids. The little tool for threading is helpful but finicky. My daughter struggled at first, and honestly, I had to help her a few times to get the hang of it. I can see how some kids might get frustrated if they're not super patient. It's not impossible, just not effortless. So if your child hates anything that feels like it takes more than 2 minutes to figure out, this might require a little extra encouragement. One thing I didn't expect? How much I ended up enjoying it too. I found myself sitting down with her, picking out combinations, and even making a bracelet for myself. Hey, why should kids have all the fun? It turned into this sweet little bonding moment, just us, some music, and a mess of colorful beads. And you should have seen her face when she gave me the first bracelet she made. "This one's for you, Mommy," she said. Cue instant tears. Moments like that make even the small struggles, like trying to thread that tiny class, completely worth it. It's not just about the end product. It's about the time together, the creativity, the pride in making something with their own hands. That's the real magic of this kit. Another thing I've noticed, my daughter has been wearing her creations everywhere. School, the park, even to dance class. She pairs them with her outfits and treats them like little works of art. And honestly, they hold up pretty well. The cords are sturdy and the clasps, once closed properly, haven't come undone. I was worried they'd break after a day or two, but several of them are still going strong after weeks of wear. That's a big plus in my book. I also love that there's enough variety that she hasn't repeated a design yet. 10 different looks, and she's only made 4 so far. That means this isn't just a one and done toy, it has lasting power. As a mom, that's gold. Lasting entertainment for under $10? Yes, please. Would I recommend this? Absolutely, but with a little caveat. It's perfect for craft loving kids who enjoy hands on activities and don't give up easily. It's not the easiest thing in the world, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. It teaches patience, fine motor skills, and gives a real sense of accomplishment when they finish. It's also a fantastic gift, great for birthdays, holidays, or just because. I feel good giving it to other kids knowing it's not just another plastic toy that will end up in the trash. It sparks creativity, keeps kids off screens, and creates lasting memories. So if you're looking for a colorful, imaginative, and wallet-friendly craft kit that delivers smiles, this one's a strong contender. Just be ready to lend a helping hand at first. Trust me, it's worth it. If you're ready to spark some colorful creativity in your home, grab the Make It Real Neo-Brite kit and let the magic begin. And hey, if you enjoyed our little craft chat, don't forget to brighten our day with a like and a subscribe. Every click helps this mom share more fun, hands-on finds for your kiddos.